Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. If we make default update set completed, it will create a default one update set. Okay. If we make default update set completed, it will automatically create. You can note down like this. So we created default one update set. So if we make default one update set completed, it will create a default two update set automatically. This process continuous. Okay, this is a continuous process. So like how many update sets are in progress? Okay, but from the default update set side, at least we have one default update set. It may be default update set, or it may be default one, default two, default three, whatever it may be. At least we need to have one default update set along with our update sets. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes, this question they are going to ask in interviews. So if we make default update set completed, what happens? They will ask like this. Yes, it will create a new update set name called default one. Got it? And within the update sets, we will get some errors as well. Okay, we can note down those errors. Errors with update sets. Errors with update sets. Yes. First error is missing object. Missing object. Collision. Next, uncommitted update. Fourth one, table to be deleted has data. Has data. Fifth one, application scope validation issue. Application scope validation issue. Next, sixth one, conflict with a single batch. Okay, these are the different errors we'll get while moving our update sets to the another instance. So mostly in the real-time organization, mostly always I will found these two errors. Okay, these two errors are the common errors. Okay, missing object and collision. Yes. Next, I'm going to move our library collection update sets to another instance. If anybody having instance which you are not created library collection, then send me your instance details. I will move this update set to that instance. Yeah, I need one Servicenow instance. Yeah, okay, please give me. Who is going to provide our instance details?
Yeah, I'm going
Can
to
give you
share
mine.
the
Okay.
details.
Yeah, okay. Anybody send me in Zoom chat. So I will take first URL, okay? And we still we need multiple instance details going forward, okay? Yeah, then I don't want to create instance. Yes, wait. Yeah, I already received one from, yeah, Mamata, we don't require mail address, we need instance, okay? Like after Mamata's message, so we have Usha instance details. I'm just opening that instance. Okay. Wait. Again, we need the details. Okay. So username is admin. Password is PRAININD@123. I'm just logging into the instance. You can see this is Usha's instance. This is Usha's instance. Okay. I just to open to Usha's instance. Usha, you haven't created library collection right here.
Yes.
Library collection. You can see there is no library collection, table or application, whatever it may be. Now I am planning to move that update set to this instance. Here you can type retrieved update sets, RETR. Yes. Under system update sets, we have retrieved update sets. Under system update sets, we have RETRI. For instance. So under system update sets, I'm going to retrieve the update sets. Now, what way we are using here? You can see here I mentioned 3 ways, right? Now I'm using this way, import update set from XML. This methodology I'm using. Okay, import update set from XML. I just clicking on retrieved update. This is our instance. Okay, this is Usha's instance. Retrieved update sets. I'm just clicking on retrieved update sets. What is the table name for retrieved update sets? You can see sys underscore remote underscore update underscore set. This is the table name for retrieved update sets. I'm just copying this and pasting here. Okay. So here's sys underscore. Okay. So now, oh, I'm going to Usha's instance. So navigation is under system update sets. We have retrieved update sets. Okay. Yes, I just clicked on retrieved update sets. Here you can see import update set from XML. I'm just clicking on this link within the retrieved update sets. This is a related link. Okay. Import update set from XML. Yes, I'm clicking on import update set from XML. Choose file. I already downloaded, right? I already downloaded that update set. I'm just selecting that update set and uploading. Yes. Our library collection update set automatic, like successfully loaded. You can see state is loaded. So once update set is loaded, that configurations will not come to this instance. Okay. Once we committed the update set, then only we will get all these configurations into instance. Okay. We just loaded the update set and we have to preview our update set. You can click on preview update set. You can see we have almost 30 customer updates are there. I'm just clicking on preview update set. So while previewing the update set only, we will get the errors if we have any. Okay. While previewing the update set only, we'll get errors if we have any. So I'm just closing. After preview is completed, you can say state is previewed. Even even if we done preview, our configurations will not come to this instance. Okay. We have to commit update set. Now I'm going to commit update set. So once I committed the update set, okay, configurations will be come to this instance and library collection table should be available. Okay. I'm just committing the update set. Commit updates. So here we just having the 30 customer updates only. Maybe if we are going to real time, okay, in your update set, you may have 100 plus customer updates. 1000 plus customer updates also I have seen. Okay. If we have more customer updates within the update set, it will take time to load, it will take time to preview, it will take time to commit the update set. Okay. Yes, I'm just closing the update set. Yes, I have successfully committed this RR-library collection update set into Usha's environment. You can come and refresh here. Yes. So I'm just going to all. Here I'm typing library. What happened? So this library collection application coming or not? Yes, coming. I'm just opening the library collection. So you can see there is no data here. And I'm just clicking on new. We can verify whether all the fields are appearing properly or not. Yes, appearing. You can see if you observe data is not captured and it is not moved to the next environment. Only configurations will be moved to next environment. Got it? This is how we are going to move update sets by using XML, import XML. Okay. And I may import same update set in another Servicenow instance, okay, for your understanding purpose. Close tabs to the right. Even I'm closing this Usha's instance here, okay. Maybe I will go to the another instance. Yeah, you can see next Saidlu sent and 2 instances.
Yeah, first one is the
Okay. Yeah, team, anybody create a library collection table within your instance. Maybe give me that instance. You may see errors. Okay. If you already created in your instance, you may see the errors if I are importing. Yeah, maybe this time I'm going to Saidlu's instance. Okay. Yeah, Victoria, I think you okay. You have provided instance details. That is fine. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe while your queries, we can use your instance. Okay. So I'm using instance details in order wise. First, Mamata sent mail. That will not work out. And I'm using Saidlu's instance. Okay. Now,
I have one doubt here actually.
yeah. Ask.
You have said that in a company, whole group has one instance and they have all login details and all. And why we need to move all this to other instance? Like we need to do there too, or once we open, I think
Yes.
you got my question.
Yeah. I got your question, Mamata. So generally, we have multiple environments in the organization. Okay. Development environment, testing environment, production environment, UAT environment, staging environment, temporary environment, base dev environment, base test. Like we have multiple environments they will use within the organization. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, here I am taking only 3 instances: development environment, testing environment, production environment. Okay. So if any work is assigned to us, okay, we have to work on the development instance. Okay. Once we finished our work within the development instance, so we have to move our work to the test environment. For development environment, we have one instance. For testing environment, we have one instance. For production environment, we have one instance. Okay. So once we finish our work in the development environment, we have to move our work to the testing environment. Then testing guys will complete testing, and if we have any issues, they will get back to us and we will finish that issues as well. So once for our work sign off is done, maybe if we get UAT sign off for our task, so we have to move our work to the production environment. Okay. Got it? In
Yeah.
the organization, so production environment having the, like, for everybody having access to production environment. Okay. Even for dev environment, for test environment, they are having access, but they don't know these instance details, most of them. Okay. So for example, if we consider 100 end users are there within the organization, all 100 users know only about production instance. They don't know anything about development, testing instances. Okay. Maybe from that, maybe from that, maybe developers, testing teams, and our managers, they only knows about this development environment and testing environment. Okay. Like basically, if any work is assigned to, nobody will implement that work directly in the production environment. Okay. That is a blunder mistake. Got it?
Yeah. Actually, this one, how they will know? Is there like an integration between these all three?
No, there is no integration in between. Okay. So we will just move work from one instance to another instance by using the update sets. Okay. There is
No,
no in
we
between
don't
integration.
use any like this
No,
one
no, no.
Active Directory and all Azure one
Yeah.
and all. Only
No.
just
So
it.
basically, that is different concept. Maybe we will get that concept, Active Directory integration. That is a different concept. Okay. Yeah, we
Okay.
will use Active Directory integration.
This is only between the instance, like different groups in the organization.
Hmm.
We are using this different instance, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah. Here, base instance is production. Everybody use only production instance. Nobody use testing environment or development environment. Okay. Only testers, developers, managers will use this development and testing environment. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes, Usha, tell me.
yeah, Anji, I have another doubt. Like, here we are creating this changes or this update set, right? While we moving one instance to another, from development to test, do we directly move or else are we creating any change request or
No.
how we
Yes.
process this?
uh, for moving update set to the production instance, definitely we require change request. Okay, we already discussed in the change. Okay, if we
It's a
are
normal change or emergency
it is
change?
completely depends upon the organization. Okay, it's completely depends upon the organization. Mostly we will use standard change for the regular changes. Okay, for example, in my current organization, so we will do the weekly change. Every Friday we have change. And if any of my tasks got UAT sign up, I have to move those tasks to production instance and Friday, every Friday. Okay, so that means we are using the standard change. Okay, maybe sometimes we will get some issues. We have to commit that update set in production instance as soon as possible. At that time, we will create emergency change. Okay, like if we are if it is a normal changes, generally we will use normal change only. Okay. Yeah, like I have seen, I work for different organizations, different projects, right? So I have seen using normal change and standard change for moving the update sets. Okay.
Okay, and I have another question
Yeah,
while you're
and emergency,
discussing.
yeah. And emergency change also we have created multiple times based upon the situation. Okay. Yeah, you can go to your
Okay.
next question.
Yeah, in standard change, I observed some pre-approved changes
Yeah,
are
there
there,
is no
right?
approvals
You,
required. Yeah.
how we create? Is that possible to create manual pre-approved changes?
No.
Manual
So
or
basically in the background we have workflows. Okay. So within the
okay,
workflows, we will mention that. So if it is a normal change, we have to go for this approval. We have to go for that approval like that. Okay. Within the workflows, we will mention. Then, based upon the step-by-step process within the change request, it will generate the approvals.
okay, it will generate the automatical pre-approved changes, standard
Yeah.
change approvals,
Yes.
is it?
Yeah. All these things will be defined in the workflows in background. Okay. We will discuss about workflows as well, maybe in the development classes. Okay.
Okay, yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Yes. And next, again, I'm moving that update set to this Hydro instance, and I will go for your queries. Admin TR. So here I'm going to Retrieved, R-E-T-R-I-R-E-T.
Angie, I thought you said some organization use just one instance all through, but I heard you say that we can have production instance, testing instance. Can you clarify that?
Yes, Victoria. So no, most of the organizations having at least these 3 instances. Otherwise, at least 2 instances. Okay. Nobody will do enhancements or new requirements directly in the production instance. Okay. Okay, Victoria. Definitely, every organization will use only one instance, that is the production instance by everybody. Everybody in the organization will use only one instance, that is production instance. For this development environment, testing environment, if we have any other instances, okay, those instances for developers and testers. Got it, Victoria?
Is it development? I didn't hear. Is it enrollment? Can you spell that? I didn't get that.
Development
I
Yeah.
know development what?
Mhm.
instance.
You didn't say instant. You said enrollment. It sound more like
Yeah,
enrollment.
yeah, Victoria. So environment, instance, both are same. Some like development environment, that means development instance, testing
Oh,
environment,
okay.
testing instance, production instance, or production environment, or live instance, live environment. Okay, got
Okay,
it?
so okay, so you said the production instance is used by everybody in the
In the
organization
organization, yes.
except for development and testing.
Yeah, development and testing will use for developing something, or if we get any issues, verifying those issues in this sub productions. Okay. Nobody will create or update something directly on the production instance. If we get any requirements, it may be new requirement, it may be enhancement requirement, it may be issue. First, we have to do that in only in development environment. So once we finished in the development environment, we have to move that work to the testing environment. Then testing people will verify that work, and they will approve. Then only we have to move our work to the production instance, and that our work will be available to everybody in the organization once we move to the production instance. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'm just going to the retrieved update sets under system update sets. So import update set from XML, choose file, library collection, upload. Yes. Now just loaded this update set. Okay. Preview update set. Here you can see we got almost 8 errors. I think found a local update set. This is a collision error. Saidulu, you have created library collection table, right? Within this instance.
Yes, Amma.
Yeah, that's what we got collision, because like whatever the customer updates we are trying to move here, it's already there. You can see found a local update that is newer than this one. Okay, for all 8 errors are similar to collision errors. Okay, collision errors. I'm just comparing. I'm taking duplicate window. I'm just comparing. Okay. So compare with local. I'm saying compare with local. Yes. There is no change. You can see this is a checked out by field related. Okay. There is no change. Both are same. So here you can decide whether you want to accept remote update. That means from this update set, you are planning to accept this customer update, or you are trying to skip this customer update. Okay. You will decide based upon the situation. Okay. For example, like all the changes are same, right? So I'm just selecting all the records. As of now, I'm accepting the remote update. Okay. Even if you are accepting remote update, no, nothing will be happen. Oh, it is only done for one record. Okay. Again, I'm going to back, and we have another environments. Why it is not selected all the records? Yes. Now it is selected all the records, and I'm selecting accept remote update. Okay. Yes, all problems have been addressed. I'm just closing this, closing this. Again, I'm clicking on retrieved updates. You can see we have resolved all the update set issues. So this time we got collision errors. Okay, I'm just committing the update set. This library collection is already there in Sizzle instance. Again, we are sending the update set completed, but some updates failed to commit due to errors. Review the commit log for the details. Anyway, that is warning. Okay, so we have successfully committed the update set. Okay, you can come and see the library collection, whatever the fields we have. Library library collection. Okay, you can see. So now you can see is appearing. What are the fields we have created? Okay, he did all the things at a time. Okay, but we did only created this number checked out by book name. Okay, this is how we'll move customer updates set to another instance. So by mistakenly I have closed instance. And if you have any queries, please ask me.
Angie, I have a question.
Mhm.
So how did you resolve the error? Can you go over that step one more time?
Mhm. Okay.
Thank you.
Where is that instance? So actually we can do only one time. So we already committed update set, right? Again, we will not get. Okay. If anybody having the instance which you already completed library collection, so please give me your URL. Then I will explain this. Who is going to provide your instance details which you already completed? Jaya, are you already completed? Yes.
I was given to right?
Yes.
You can take.
Okay. Yeah, I just opening the Jaya instance. You can see it's already there, library collection. Yeah, it's already there. Okay. So I'm just going to retrieve the update sets. Yeah, I retrieved update sets. Okay. Yeah, Victoria, I remember. So you asked for some queries by sharing screen. Yeah, we'll do that. I'm just clicking on upload. Yes, library collection. You can see preview updates. It mostly will get collision errors again here. You can see almost we received 7 errors this time. These all are the collision errors only. You can see. I just compared here. Okay. These collision errors I have compared. Maybe I'm taking first record and I'm comparing. So what is the difference between existing record and our new record? Okay. I just click and compare with local. Okay. I think it is loading. Yes, you can. There is no change here. Okay. There is no change. So if we have different, you are able to identify here. For example, here checkbox is true. Here checkbox is also true. So we have any difference somewhere we have checkbox, somewhere we not. Okay, we'll identify the differences like that even within the scripting also. Here you can see here we have something like calculated field value. Here it is empty. So these are the kind of even you can see here in the remote update here here attributes are different, here attributes are different, like these are the minors and there is no change we can say finally. Okay, and now again I'm going to that retrieved update set. Okay, again I'm going to that retrieved update set. I'm opening library collection. Okay, I'm going to library collection. Okay, so like I feel all these are similar kind of errors. Okay, you can found a local update, found a local update. all are the collision errors. Okay, so I'm just selecting all the records at a time. So I'm just may accept or remove skip the remote update. Maybe earlier we have accepted the remote update, right? So now I'm skipping remote update. Okay, because both the changes are same. Whatever the changes already in this instance, and whatever the changes we are bringing from that downloaded update set. Okay, both are same. That's why this time I have skipped. At that time, last time I have accepted. Okay, completely like after comparing, you have to take decision whether you have to skip the update or whether you have to accept the update. Okay, in this situation, these are the collision errors, and in the both the environments, we did same kind of thing. That's what one time I did that, and second time I did this one. Okay, you got it, Tommy. I'm just committing the update set. Tommy, you got my point?
Yes, I do. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So you can see successfully we have committed, and she already having the library collection table anyway. Okay. Library collection. Wait. So I'm just closing this update set, and you can see you, yeah, number of copies checked out by book name published, author. Okay. Yes, I think this is the correct format. Okay, JR did correct format. In your instance, I have seen multiple fields here. Okay, no, this is correct format. And next, yes, Victoria, like you have forwarded your instance, right? Is that correct instance? You are facing issue, login issue. Yeah, Victoria.
Yes. Sorry,
Okay,
I actually was muted when I was talking.
okay. That is fine. That is fine. So I'm just opening your instance. Copy and pasting here. This is your correct your instance. You are not able to log into multiple users at a time. We'll see that.
Yes. Okay.
Admin. So yes. So first of all, I'm going to users tables. Okay, this underscore user dot list. So you have created this trainer Anji record.
No, but the issue I have is with Victoria. Yeah, that's the first
Okay,
user getting
Victoria.
ID. And even
This is
everything. This is the one the assignment you gave us.
okay.
The-
So this passport field, are you created newly or you just bring from form layout? No,
I
you can see here passport field is not appearing. Have you changed
yes.
the passport for these users, trainer Anji and Victoria?
No,
Have you?
I actually created the training because Victoria wasn't working. So Victoria user is the main user. So
Yeah.
I tried to create the password field, but I kept putting it to the selected side and it wasn't still appearing.
Okay.
So I don't know what's going on.
No. We have to update one system property. Maybe system underscore is dot list. So I have sent this system property name earlier. Okay, maybe you can check your class notes. I think show password. This is the system property. So we have to make this system property true. Okay. I have sent this system property in the class notes. Okay, you can verify once. Yes, we have updated system property true. Then password field will be visible in the form. Okay. You can come and open trainers record. Yes, here it is password field. Here I'm saying TRAINING@123. Save. Here for Victoria record also, I'm just updating the password. Something like training@123. Yes, this I change. TRAINING@123. I'm just saying that this record as well. Now I'm copying this URL. Okay, I'm going to different browser. Okay, so here I'm copy pasting the URL. Yes. Now you can come to your Victoria record. This is your user ID. Okay, I'm just copying this user ID and I'm pasting here. Okay, and here password. trainning@123. I'm just logging. Okay, maybe you kept password change.
Yes, yeah, I actually clicked it, but wasn't able to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again, I'm keeping password training@123. You can check
Okay.
whether it will accept or not. No, new password same as current password. Okay, training@123. So maybe here I'm keeping testing@123. Maybe you can change after some time. Okay.
Okay. What did you use? Testing 1 to 2 at 1 to 3, right?
Yeah, testing T capital letter. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can see we have successfully logged in into Victoria account. Now still this instance is open with admin user. Okay. Now again I'm just removing password needs reset for Anji user. I don't want to change the password. Okay. Now again I'm copying this URL and I'm going to the incognito window. Okay, I'm just opening the instance URL. Okay. What is Anji's user ID? So this is trainer.anji. This is Anji's user ID. Okay. So you can see this is username I provided. Password is TRAINING. Rate of 123. This is the password. I'm just trying to log in. You can see I have logged in into the same instance by 3 users. One is admin, one is Anji, one is Victoria. Got it?
I got it. Okay, so that means that what I got wrong was
No.
the password.
Maybe what I feel you haven't updated password. You haven't created password for those user accounts. I feel okay. Nothing
Okay.
you made mistake. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I thought I was doing something wrong.
Okay. No. You haven't made any mistake, but you haven't created password. That's what you are not able to log into the system.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, team. So I'm just closing the class here. Tomorrow also I require your Servicenow instances. So please wake up your instances while joining the class. Okay, I may ask you your instance while joining the class. Okay. Thank you so much,
Anji,
team.
Anji,
Yes.
Anji, Anji, I have a doubt.
Okay, tell me.
Uh, my instance is not responding. Can you able to see?
Wait. So your instance showing like this? Tell me, confirm
Yes.
one. Wait, is it showing like this?
No, not like that.
Mm,
I'll share. Can you give me access to share my screen?
okay. Yeah, Satish, actually this meeting will end in 1 minute. So rejoin again with the same meeting ID. Okay. We'll see.
Oh,
Others may not require to join. Okay. If you have any queries, then only join. Yeah. Okay, Satish, got it my point?
yes. I'll join.
Okay. System not responding means have you did any I can say larger actions kind updating multiple records at a time. Have you did this kind of things? No.